Hello everyone, I'm Philip from Horizon Quantum. Very nice to meet all of you here. From desktops to data centers, no computer runs without software, and Quantum is no exception. And that's why at Horizon Quantum, we're building the software infrastructure to power quantum computing. In particular, we are developing a toolchain to make programming quantum computers as easy and flexible as programming conventional ones. Our ultimate goal is to allow any software developer to take programs that are written in a conventional language such as C or Python and transform them into accelerated quantum applications. By removing the need for prior quantum computing experience to develop applications for quantum hardware, Horizon's tools aim to make the power of quantum computing accessible to every software developer. Through the alliance with QuEra, we expect to integrate our software development tools with QuEra's technologies to offer its members the unparalleled capabilities of our IDE, Triple Alpha, such as Turing completeness, subroutines from C and C++, or dynamic memory allocation, just to name a few. Both our companies believe that this partnership will strengthen QuEra Quantum Alliance software capabilities and allow its global members community from the quantum hardware, software, and service providers sites to benefit from our advanced programming tools. At Horizon Quantum, our goal is to build the most universal tools for programming quantum computers. This includes offering our users the power to compile and optimize their programs for any QPU. In Triple Alpha, our users can write programs with hardware-agnostic code, which can then be compiled to target specific processors and deployed via the cloud. Neutral atom quantum architecture is quickly becoming a leading candidate for scalable quantum computing, and QuEra is a leader in this field. We are excited to partner with QuEra to add their neutral atom quantum computers to trap ions and superconducting systems already available in Triple Alpha.